Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that might seem a little scary, but it's incredibly important for your health. We all know that fish can be a part of a healthy diet, full of protein and those amazing omega-3 fatty acids. But what if I told you that some of the most popular and expensive fish on the market could actually be doing more harm than good? It's a surprising and serious truth, and it all comes down to a silent, invisible toxin that builds up over time. When it comes to the unhealthiest fish, we're talking about species that are high in a dangerous heavy metal, mercury. Mercury is naturally present in our environment, but industrial pollution has increased its levels in our oceans and rivers. It's a neurotoxin, which means it can be harmful to your brain and nervous system, especially for young children and pregnant women. The way it gets into fish is through a process called bioaccumulation. Smaller fish eat tiny organisms with mercury, then bigger fish eat those smaller fish, and so on. As you move up the food chain, the mercury becomes more and more concentrated in the larger, predatory fish. So, who are the worst offenders? The most unhealthy fish are generally the largest, long-living predators at the top of the food chain. Think of the giants of the sea, swordfish, shark, and king mackerel. These fish can live for a very long time, which gives them decades to accumulate high levels of mercury. A single serving of these fish can contain a significant amount of the toxin, and eating them regularly can lead to dangerous levels building up in your body. It's a risk that outweighs any of the nutritional benefits they might offer. Another fish to be wary of is orange roughy, also known as slimehead. This deep-sea fish is notoriously long-lived, with some living for over 150 years. Because of its extreme lifespan, it has had an incredibly long time to accumulate mercury and other contaminants from the deep ocean floor. Beyond its high mercury content, its slow reproduction rate has also made it a target for overfishing, which makes it a poor choice for the environment as well as your health. While this information might make you want to avoid fish altogether, the key is to make smart choices. The healthiest fish are the ones that are small, short-lived, and low on the food chain. So, instead of a swordfish steak, go for some wild-caught salmon, sardines, or anchovies. They are packed with omega-3s and have very little mercury. By choosing wisely, you can get all the health benefits of fish without the hidden risks.